picture and bring it over to the side. Trying to work with not a lot of real estate here. And the first thing we need to do is do a drop shadow. And the settings we're going to play with, we're going to keep it, the drop shadow is going to be normal. And the opacity will be about 40 to 40%. Whoop, let's bring that back up again. Opacity at 40% on the drop shadow, and we'll just switch off the use global light, and we're going to turn the angle to 90 degrees, and the distance is just 1 pixel, and the spread about 30. I'll make it 34, 35. Yeah, that's fine. And the size, let's make it about 50, 54. That should be fine. And that's it for the drop shadow. And the next thing we need to do is an inner shadow. So if we click the inner shadow, and this one's going to be a multiply, and we're going to leave the opacity at 75, and we're going to untick the use global there, and this time we're going to sort of reverse the angle, make it -90, and we'll probably just increase the choke quite a bit. Let's kick it up to about 50, make it 48. And the size about 10 or 9, and we'll just change the contour to a curve, and that's probably what we want there for inner shadow. So we'll also do a bevel and emboss. So if we just tick bevel and emboss, and we're going to do an inner bevel, so we'll leave that as is. Smooth is fine. The depth, yeah, we'll bring the depth up quite a bit. Probably, yeah, about 184 is fine. The direction, we're going to have up. Size about 1 pixel.